My name is Rohini Khulla. I stay in New Delhi. About the environment, I think today the environment has been abandoned by all of us. We're all talking about it, and even when it needs a maximum amount of help and support, we're not willing to give it. Simply because we feel that somebody else is going to do something about it. My focus has been and continue to be in things that I can do within my limited sphere, things that I can directly impact. Now, gone are the days where we can talk about recycling, because recycling still means usage of some amount of water, some amount of energy, some amount of other resources. I'd like to continue to remain focused on the reuse and the reduce part of it. The reduce part of it is pretty simple. We just need to buy less, we need to change our clothes less frequently, and we need to continue to do with the same kind of clothes that we have. We need to buy less food, throw less food. When I talk about the reuse, very simply, one of the first things that I actually did was actually reuse saris to make curtains. So those were 6 saris that were used for the front of 6 curtains, and 6 saris that were used for the back or the lining of the 6 curtains. And I must admit, they look rather pretty. What else can we do? Very simply, old bed sheets in a good condition, old bed covers in a good condition, give them to an NGO like I do. They will convert them into bags and even make a decent livelihood out of it. Look at cardboard boxes. Most of the cardboard stuff that is delivered to us is delivered in cardboard boxes. Again, rather than just garbage segregation and sending them up for recycling, let's look at how we can collect them and actually just give them back to the vendor. I do that for my salad boxes, where I keep the salad boxes as stored boxes for about 3 to 4 weeks. He then sends somebody over just to pick up the boxes, and he can reuse the boxes just the way they are. Like most of us, I'm sure we're carrying water in metallic bottles, which is good for us as well. Another small thing, every time we go and have a cold drink, take out that metallic straw from your bag and don't use a paper straw, because even a paper straw or a straw which is of material that can be recycled often involves cutting down of a tree. These are simple things that we can do in our daily lifestyle. So let's just go ahead and do them.